So in this episode of the course, I'm going to teach you how to download the essential for coding with C#. So what you want to do is first open your browser and just type Visual Studio Code download. Click the first link and this window should appear. And if you are on Linux, don't worry, I'm on Windows. But if you are on Windows or Mac, this will say to you download for Linux or Mac. For me it says Windows because I'm on Windows, so just click it. Now we are going to open the file. We are going to accept. Click next, again, create a desktop icon, next, install. Now click finish and you are done. So the next step is downloading the .NET, which is the thing that lets your computer understand C#. So you just open your browser again, type .NET download, you spell it like that if you wonder. Okay, so you just search it up, click this button, now you open it, pretty much similar process from what we did previously. Install. Right here, it probably doesn't show you, but it asks me for permission, so just click yes. There's nothing to be afraid of. And you just close it. Now to finally verify that you actually got it, just open the terminal or the command prompt, it doesn't matter, and just type .NET -- version, okay? And if you see there a 10, it's the right one. So yeah. Okay, so the final thing that you need is just a quick extension, which is optional, but I really recommend it because it makes your life a lot easier. So you just click right here, extensions, type C# dev kit, and just click, and it should here it should say install. I already have it installed, so I will uninstall for you. Here, install, and you have it. That's it. So the final thing before I let you free is I'm going to teach you how to actually create a C# project. So you just create a new folder, just drag it onto the Visual Studio Code. So then you just click terminal, new terminal, and here you just want to write .NET new console. This thing that just like sets up everything your computer needs to actually run the C# code, script, whatever. So the program.cs is the main file that you're going to work with. This is the file where the actual code is going to go in. I'm not going to teach you the code. This is the next video, hopefully. You just do this. And to actually run the project, you just type .NET run, just like this.